Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new client to the Invoice Maker application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the invoices button down below in the left side corner, and then click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on clients, which is the second option. You have two options. You can either import clients from your contacts, or you can also edit manually by tapping on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should type in their billing name. Then you can type in their street in the billing address section, then the city, then the postcode and the country. You can use the search bar. Then type in their email address, and after that their phone number. If you are done, click on the done button at the top, and as you can see, it has been added to your list of contacts. If you want to get rid of any of the clients, just slide to the right side and tap on the delete button, then click on delete down below. And that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.